Fix the sum in Excel.
How to fix the Excel sum, or how to determine what cells are being summed. It just doesn't look right. There's 10 weeks and we're only at 406,000. And what's that green triangle? Click on the cell, the green triangle, this little yellow thing says update the formula to include cells. Formula omits adjacent cells. I'm not just going to let them fix it. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to press F2. Shoot, see that blue range? We must have written this formula back when we only had 7 weeks of data. Now, you could fix it here, but you're going to continue to have a problem. Okay, or you could just make the range really, really large, like larger than 52 cells, so no matter what, you'll get all of the data. But another way to go, have the range be exactly the amount of data you have today. On the Home tab, click Format as Table, doesn't matter what format you use. And then, the beautiful thing, as I get a new row in the table, let's give it 150,000. When I press Enter, you see the total automatically updated. It will grow to extend with the table.
If you like these videos, please down below like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below.